What is up, Wolff Nation? And we're doing a little different type of a video today. So, right here, I have ordered the Go ES foldaway seat off of the vanmart.com. Yeah, honestly, it looks like it was shipped perfectly, pristinely. It is on a pallet, which is kind of annoying, but I think because of the weight and everything, I mean, it's packed pristinely, so that is a plus. I am holding sharp objects. Yes, run. So yeah, this is for my van, and I'm gonna do the install myself. So I'm gonna unbox this guy, move it out of the way so we can pull the car into the garage. Yeah, we're just gonna film like me installing the seat and see what happens. So just off the bat, it does look like it was shipped really well. It did take them, I don't know off the top of my head right now, but they did say it takes about 6 to 8 weeks, which I did not know that. On the website it said 5 to 7 business days. After figuring it all out, this was actually shipped from the manufacturer themselves. So the VanMart did not have this actually in stock. They ship directly from the actual company that makes this. So I did not know that when I was buying it. So that sucked, but we got it 6 weeks-ish later. So yeah, let's see how it goes. All right, so there's everything that was packed on top of it. And there's the seat itself, puppy cam. And honestly, it's really good. They got these spacer boxes, so it's not really moving around too much. So it's really packed well, puppy cam. Yeah, it's really packed over, puppy cam. Thought I'd get him again. Yeah, so, yeah, well, wife cam. Yes, here, I'll let you take that. Now I'm gonna try to see how heavy this thing actually is and see if we can get it off the pallet. Alright, so let's see what happens when we lift. Okay, it's got some weight to it, but it's not that bad. I can see why though that they would need a pallet. However, I don't see anything yet, but I do believe I ordered all the hardware and everything to come with it, and I don't see that yet. So I'm hoping that is underneath something in here. So yeah, let's see what happens. Oh boy. Now remember, lift with your back in an upward jerking motion. Don't lift with your legs, that's a myth. Okay. All right. So, it's quite large, but I'm liking what I'm seeing. So now we're gonna just keep it over there and throw all this away. All right, so just finished playing car roulette. Got the car back inside. Got my van pulled up inside. Move the seat right here. So I double checked the receipt. Apparently I didn't order the hardware. Okay, I can accept that. That one's probably on me. However, I was looking at it, and the seat that they have on the website, thevanmart.com, that is identical to this seat is called their Universal Foldaway. That now it is listed at $2,500, I believe. And then I added it to the cart because I was very curious about this, and the shipping is about $400, which is ridiculous. But I mean, the seat looks legit. It's sturdy. It's heavy. It's you know, safety. But the grand total checking out and on the vanmart.com is right about $2,900. I believe I paid $3,400 for the exact same seat that they are now selling cheaper. And if I'm right, this is not a Go Easy or Go ES seat. This is just their universal seat. Now, I'm going off of just the pictures, and the pictures are identical to this seat that I have here. So I'm gonna I feel like I have to email these guys and try to get to the bottom of this, because they don't even sell hardware on their website for this seat. So I'm gonna have to just I don't even know. I guess I'll just go to the Home Depot and hope for the best at that point. But yeah, I am a tad confused, a tad upset, and yeah, I'm gonna need to get to the bottom of this. So stay tuned to see. I'm gonna email these guys tonight and hopefully get a response back. They were very diligent, and on their website it does say allow for 5 to 7 business days for them to ship, or I believe actually it just says 5 days. And this took 6 weeks. So I don't know what the deal is, but we'll figure it out. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we are now in the van, getting ready to install the seat. So after looking at a whole bunch of stuff and whatnot, it turned out that VanMart actually sent me the wrong seat. It's literally almost identical to the seat that I did order, but it was about $350 cheaper, which after I talked to VanMart, this seat looks totally fine. There was not much difference between them except the price. And they were super helpful, super easy to work with. Their customer service was fantastic. So they actually reimbursed me the $350 for the seat, and I just kept the one that they sent me. There was no hardware or anything like that. So we're gonna be just doing this by ourselves. So what I did here was get some mounting plates here. These are going to go on the bottom of the van. And then we got our 1/2-inch drill bit. So we're going to be drilling through the floor with this guy. And then we also went and got some grade A bolts, grade 8, which are grade A, because they're going to be the ones holding everything together. I didn't get all of them though, because I'm not sure how thick the floor is going to be, and I don't want to, have to go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. So I got 2 sizes, and we're going to test those out and see how those go. I got my buddy Cody coming over today. It's just going to be easier with 2 people. This thing weighs like 200 and something, 300 pounds, and I just don't feel like lifting that myself. All right, we're on the dad bod status at the moment. So yeah, so we got all the hardware, we got our spray paint. So yeah, we're gonna give it a go. I'm gonna silicone also, try to make this thing as watertight as possible and as strong as possible, because we're gonna be, if you have a passenger, you don't need them flying around the house, which in the house is gonna be the van. So not 100% sure where it's gonna go. It's probably gonna go somewhere right near the gas tank, or the gas line, the fuel line. So we're gonna go and show you what the bottom looks like, and we'll go from there. Okay, so this is kind of what we're looking at right here, and I'm assuming we're probably gonna drill somewhere on this side and then somewhere on this side. It's about 20 inches long that we have to cover. So yeah, we're gonna give that a go and try not to hit the fuel line. God help us. All right, so we're about to drill a pilot hole just to double check. So we'll see how that goes. Try not to get anything in my eye. EKX brand. Vision's clear. I'm ready. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Dang, that's all right. I think that's pretty good. Where's the you drill the one further away from me now? No, yeah. Yep. Oh wow, there it is. Okay. All right, let's try these two guys. Yep, ready. Oh, perfect, dude. That's money. Yep. Okay. I think we're dialed right there. Yep. Dude, I don't think there's any floor. There's literally no spacing. Yeah, that's insane to me. All right, well, we'll get these other ones drilled in and we'll be good. Okay, so I drastically underestimated the size of this floor. It's literally just metal. And that's it. It's the floor and that's it. I thought there would be like a subfloor or some type of something. There is literally nothing. So now the hard part's gonna be trying to figure out the bolt situation. So here we go. We're gonna figure that out right now. Okay, so there we go. We got the holes are drilled in. Everything looks like it's gonna be a-okay. We just shop vac all the metal shavings out. Now we're gonna go to Home Depot to pick up some more of these guys because these are the ones that we needed. So yeah, just gonna go get those, then we'll start on everything else. All right, so now we spray painted the holes because no one wants rust in their van. That is ridiculous. We have dropped the bolts now in there, and now we are going to do some Loctite, do some caulking, and then yeah, we're gonna drill them down, and this thing should be freaking good. Then we're gonna sit and make out on it to see if it can hold both our weights. All right, sick, here we go. All right, come on. All right, so there we go. There's one, there's two, and we got 3 and 4. So, yeah, I think we're good. We're gonna test it out here in a second. We're gonna let the caulking dry, and I put some Loctite on there as well. So we'll probably let that dry out just a little bit, but that's what it looks like underneath. So now we'll go see what it looks like up top. All right, so there she is. We got it in there and it's bolted down really good. Really happy on that aspect. There's the other two right there. And yeah, that's it. Super easy, super simple. We came to the conclusion that it probably did only take us about an hour to install. Honestly, it took more just to run to the Ace Hardware just to go grab the bolts and shit. So that's it, super easy. Highly recommend y'all deal with the Van Mart. Not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or form, but they were just really pleasant, easy to work with. So yeah, if you are doing the same project like this, that's kind of the whole glitz and glamour. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to comment. And I might get back to you, I might not, because I just don't really care that much. And that's Cody, by the way. Thank you, Cody, thank you. But with that, remember, you are who you choose to be. As he stares at me with contempt. So long, Wolff Nation.